What's good, my beautiful people? We are in the heart of nature. I hope all is well. I'm a multi-dimensional being having a human experience. I'm a multi-dimensional being having a human experience. What's good, my beautiful, beautiful people? I really and truly hope all is well. I just wanted to make a quick video. I hope that everyone is taking good care of themselves, getting out in nature, enjoying the sun, staying healthy and protecting themselves, because we are living in a very, very serious time, but we must learn to enjoy the things that are priceless, which is nature. So we want to give many thanks to you passing through, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and the rest of your evening. Thank you so much. Catch you in another one.